Eat only at tourist trap restaurants for a year. Or only eat street food from questionable vendors. Never be able to speak the local language. Or only be able to speak the local language. Only visit famous landmarks and attractions. Or only explore hidden, off-the-beaten-path locations. Always stick out like a sore thumb as a tourist, or constantly be mistaken for a local even when not. Stay in luxury hotels in touristy areas, or couch surf and sleep in hostels far from attractions. Have every local custom and tradition explained to you, or figure out the culture yourself through observation.